So every January, our Rose Society has a pruning workshop where we teach people how to prune roses, and we only do that once a year. So roses give back so much. If they're giving us 8.5 months of bloom, and we only have to prune them once a year, that's pretty darn good.
Yeah, that's what we look at it.
So we teach them a method that we have, I don't know, we've gotten it from our Baldo Villegas.
Baldo Villegas. Yeah, we've learned, he's done approach, and he's very analytical, and he looked at it, and a lot of people start by cutting the tops. Well, we just top our roses off. Let's say your rose is
Or I don't even do that.
Well, I do. Sometimes your rose is 6 feet tall. I cut them off in half, so it's 3 feet tall, and then you start, and in 3 minutes or less, 3 minutes or less, you can cut that rose and prune that rose.
Because you start at the base of the rose and you see which canes you are new and which canes are old. Old canes get gray, just like people do, and those are the ones you want to get rid of. You want to get rid of it all the way down to the base, and then that leaves room for new canes. And so once you've cut that cane, then all of that whole cane with all of everything is gone, so you didn't have to mess with it. And then the rest of them, you just come up and cut above a bud, and you're done.
Yeah, it's really simple, and it's amazing. People go, "That's all there is?" And we say, "Yeah."
And then you get these.
Yeah, and then I said, after you're done, just fertilize and let nature take its course.
Fertilize and water and sun.
Yeah, that's all they need. It's really simple, and I know I like working in the winter. We're lucky because we live in California, but it's nice to be out in this.
A lot of times it is rainy and muddy, so we're out in the rain and the mud.
Not too much. I don't go out in the rain and the mud. I wait till it's, and I don't like really windy days either.
Yeah.
I'm a fuss budget.